Types of economic activity. Economic activity is the activity of making, providing, purchasing, or selling goods and services. Any action that involves producing, distributing, or consuming product or services is an economic activity. Economic activity exists at all levels within a society. In other words, economic activities are the activities which are undertaken by people with the object of earning money are known as economic activities. Example, production of goods in a factory, distribution of goods by a wholesaler or by retailer. There are mainly three types of economic activities. First one, business. Second one, profession. And third one, employment. Business. Business is a part of an economic activity. Any economic activity undertaken with a purpose to earn profit is called a business. According to this program, all the activities covered under the production and the sale of product and services can be classified as business activity. Business is a wide term. It includes all occupations in which people are busy in earning income either by production or purchase and sale or exchange of goods and services to satisfy the needs of other people with the main objective of earning profit. Business may be defined as an activity concerned with the production and the exchange of goods and services with the objective of earning profit. Word business literally means a state of being busy. Every person is engaged in some kind of occupation in order to earn. An entrepreneur runs a factory, a trader sells goods, a banker lends money, a transporter carries goods, etc. All these activities are related to business. These activities are undertaken to earn a profit or a living out of them. People remain busy with one thing or other. Profession. A person with a specialized skill, knowledge, training and professional education renders services and in return receives fees. It is called profession. Example, chartered account, doctor, etc. A profession is an occupation which involves providing of personal service of a specialized scheme or nature. The service is based on professional education, knowledge, training, etc. This service is provided for a professional fees charged from the client. The professionals are members of professional bodies and conduct their activities according to the standards set by those bodies. The professional bodies have or professional groups have their own code of conduct with members will have to obey. Employment. Employment means job. It is an economic activity performed in return for a fixed salary where work is assigned as per the contract. Employment means selling of physical and mental ability capabilities to others. That time they will give a salary or wage. In exchange of physical mental capacity, there is its a reward is salary or wages. Example, teacher teaching in a school or a government employee. When a person undertakes to render personal service under an agreement of employment, he is said to be in service or employment. The service is provided for a salary or wage and or other benefit attached to that job. The service may be in a government or a private organization. Employment. Employment means job. It is an economic activity performed in return for a fixed salary where work is assigned as per the contract. Example, a teacher teaching in a school. or a government employee. When a person undertakes to render personal service under an agreement of employment, he is said to be in service or employment. If the service is rendered for a salary or wage and or other benefit attached to that job, the service may be in a government or a private organization. Employment means providing physical or mental ability or capability to others. In return, they will get a salary or wage. In shortly, business refers to those economic activity which are connected with the production, purchase, sale or distribution of goods and service with the main aim objective of earning profit. Profession refers to the activities which are require special knowledge and skill to be applied by an individual in his work to earn a living. Employment refers to activity in which an individual worker regularly for another person and gets remunerated in return. These economic activities are divided into three categories: business, profession, and employment.